Hey guys, in this video, I will be sharing with you 11 interesting fun facts you did not know about budgies. If you're new here, a big welcome, and please subscribe to my channel. Number 1, budgies have a third eyelid, which helps in keeping the eyes clear of dirt and debris. Number 2, originally Budgie was green in color. All the other color variants are because of genetic mutation. The first blue budgie was seen in the year 1878, and that too was a result of a genetic mutation. Number 3, budgies' heartbeat can be around 500 beats per minute. Their heartbeat is so fast that it cannot be calculated by normally hearing. Number 4, budgies are highly intelligent birds. They are extremely vocal and are capable of learning quite a few words. These little birds have enough brains to cope up with basic mathematics. Number 5, usually birds tend to have 3 toes, but not the colorful budgies. They have 4 toes, 2 in the front and 2 at the back of the foot. Number 6, budgies can see over 150 images per second, whereas human eyes can see only 16 images per second. Isn't that fascinating? Number 7, budgies can see more colors than us. They have a total of 4 color sensing cells in their eyes, while we only have 3. Number 8, budgies do poop a lot. In fact, these birds can poop every 20 minutes. The reason behind this is that they have a very high metabolic rate and process food very quickly. Number 9, budgies have monocular vision. They can move one eye independently of the other one and can see from each eye independently. Number 10, during the breeding seasons, the female budgies can gain significant weight. They can gain around 20% of their total body weight during the breeding season. Number 11, budgies have excellent hearing. Their hearing is very well developed and extremely accurate. They can quickly sense and distinguish between different signals. Which of the fact you like the most? Comment down below. And let me know. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more fun fact videos. For more info, read our detailed article, link in the description. Thanks for watching.